Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Coach Sherry, and I am taking you with me as I walked to the Apprenticeship NC Conference Hotel in Wilmington, North Carolina. This conference was earlier this week, and I didn't stay at the host hotel, so I had to walk each morning to the hotel, and it was a great walk, quick walk along the Riverwalk Boardwalk. And I hope you enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe and join the team. Thanks for tuning in.
I'm walking from my hotel, which is right here, all the way down to that hotel. Not far, a nice boardwalk. Drinking my coffee.
Revive and thrive, creating an inclusive workforce post-pandemic. This conference was filled with nuggets on the importance of developing apprenticeship programs for businesses. I appreciate you for walking along with me and enjoying the early morning sights. I hope you enjoyed. I again invite you to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification to join the team. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. And until we speak again, remember, practice really hard so when you get into the game, you will always play to win. Thank you for watching.